The Orvis Tippet Knot was developed by Orvis Company, the leader in fly fishing. This knot is designed to tie the leader to the tippet, but over time it has become a common knot for tying two lines together. First, you need to put the two lines parallel to each other. Make sure there is about 5 to 6 inches of overlap. To make the next step, you have to hold the two lines between your left thumb and index finger. Form a loop by bringing the two lines back over themselves. After that, wrap the two ends behind the doubled line. The next thing you have to do is to bring the ends above the double line. Hold all this between your left thumb and index finger too. Next, put the leader's end and the tippet through the loop formed before. Do this twice. Now, holding the double ends of both lines, pull slowly. You will see a figure of 8 formed. When the knot is close together, moisten the knot with water or saliva. Pull the lines tight to finalize the knot. Cut the excess ends close to the knot. The Orvis Tippet Knot is ready. Thanks for watching.
Fin Fishing TV.